Hello and welcome to Dynamic Medicos. In this video, I'm going to talk about spider group of remedies. Before we start, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and watch the video till the end. Let's first see the introduction of the spider group of remedy. It belongs to order Arachnida. Habitat of spiders are all over the world in the deep seas, tall mountains, forests, deserts. So it's called the cosmopolitan creature. It terrorizes in the air, water, and ground. Color varies from brown to black. It was origin Lycosa tarantula is the species originally known as the tarantula. So now it's called the tarantula wool spider, being in wool spider family, the Lycosidae, and it's found in southern Europe, Italy, Taranto, from which it gets its name. There are about 22,000 species of spider, of which about 500 are British. The largest are found in the Central America and have a body length of about 3.5 inches. The smallest species are less than 25th of an inch long. Bodies of animal belongs to Arachnida consist of two parts. Here are two types of spiders, Aranomorphy and Mygalomorphy. Aranomorphy with one pair of lungs and Mygalomorphy with two pairs of lungs. Now let's talk about its history. In the Greek mythology, in ancient Greece, there lived one woman called Arachne who was famous for her skill in weaving. Her skill at her art made her very conceited, thinking that there was none better than her. In her conceit, she challenged the Greek Athene to a weaving contest. Arachne's effort was very beautiful and it aroused jealousy in Athens, and Athene was felt threatened by Arachne. So the Athene was the goddess of all the weaving. In her fit of rage, she tore Arachne's wearing to pieces. Arachne was very upset and she hung herself. Whereupon Athene changed her into a spider and condemned her to go on weaving forever. Hence the name Arachnida, which really means the children of Arachne. The they have a pair of jaw, a pair of pincer claws, and four pair of legs, all attached to the cephalothorax. Let's see the social behavior of the spiders. Some tropical species of the spider are social and live in large communal web containing hundreds of individuals. Most of them are female and they cooperate to build and repair the web. A pack of spider overpowers and kill the insect that have been caught in the communal web, and feeding is communal. Spider venoms. A few spiders are toxic to humans. The venom of the black widow spider and others of the Latrodactylus genus act as a painful nerve poison. The bite of brown recluse and others of the Loxosceles genus may cause the localized tissue death. Other venomous spiders include the Mygalomorph funnel weaver of the southern eastern Australia and some members of the family Tarantula of the South America. In North America, Cheracanthium is an responsible for the site of bite to become necrotic occasionally. Spider lives up to 1 year and tarantula lives up to 15 years. Now let's see the important remedies. Arnia diadem, that is spider peppercross. Arnia Sanchia, that is grey spider, Tarantula hispanica, that is Spanish spider, Tarantula cubensis, that is Cuban spider, then Latrodectus mactans, that is American black widow, Theridion is West Indian orange spider, then Latrodectus H, that is New South Wales spider, and Latrodectus capillo, that is New Zealand spider, then Thala araneum, that is spider web. Doctrine of signature. Spider has 8 legs surrounding the whole body and in constant motion. The patients are always restless. Second is the spider captures its prey in a very cunning and deceptively woven web. The patient are cunning and deceptive in their behavior. The action of the poison of the spider is very violent. The complaints of the patient is also violent. And next is the male spider is known to dance during mating season to attract the females. The patient desires to dance which relieves his complaints. Now let's see the characteristics of the spider group. Constitution. Restless and nervous hypersensitive people suited to those who are quick and agile, having a colorful personalities, people with artistic traits and very active. It belongs to tubercular and syphilitic miasm. Temperament is restless, nervous and irritable. Tubercular diathesis, and thermal relationship is chilly and very sensitive to cold. Sphere of action is it acts on the mind, blood, skin, central nervous system, peripheral nervous system, and heart, head, extremities, and reproductive organs. Elements from noise, motion, grief, stooping, closing eyes, sound, riding, washing, sea traveling, fright, sepsis, and disappointed love. Pathophysiological changes. It poisons the blood. The poison decomposes the blood. It has a paralyzing action on the nerves and irritates the peripheral nerves. The important symptoms are severe pain and burning sensation, intense pain in extremities, lumbar region, and severe backache. There is increased arterial pressure and reduced arterial pressure is seen. Cutaneous and mucosal findings. Vesicular papule, that is pustular rashes on body with intense itching. Gastrointestinal findings are acute abdominal pain with rigidity of the abdominal muscles. Urinary findings are moderate albuminuria and hematuria. CNS findings frequent psychomotor excitation, occasional delirium, and rarely meningeal symptoms with contraction of extremities, paralysis of facial muscles, and widening of pupils. Blood findings are moderate leukocytosis with raised ESR, increased neutrophil count. Characteristic mental symptoms: fearless, courageous. Spider personalities are very courageous people. They are brave enough to face the challenges of life. mischievous, witty, and cunning. Cunning of destructive, a peculiar characteristic described as a fox like cunning and destructive. They draw their legs inward and are inclined to a mischievous and destructive to others. When spiders are frightened, they feign death or go to a cataleptic reflex. Insanity, paroxysms of insanity with restlessness and threatening words. When questioned, they do not answer, their motions are ridiculous. Excitement with singing, dancing, and weeping. They not only imagine as the sick but also pretend sick when they are not. Restlessness. Spider personalities are extremely restless and excitable both physically and mentally. Nervousness. They are nervous and jerky. Restlessness with irritability. They have an inclination for tension. Mind is always in tantrum and turmoil. It goes in a fit of rage, sees monsters, animals, faces, insects, and ghosts, sees strangers in the room. Time passes too quickly, aversion to work, finds pleasure in nothing. Sociability. Spider people are very sociable. They like company and conversation. People who are fashionable and aristocratic. Spider people want to possess power. They are very friendly and jovial. Emotional. They are emotionally imbalanced. Very easily get affected by emotions. Consolation causes weeping. They are very expressive of emotion and highly susceptible. Fear and grief affects them seriously. Least contradiction affects her. Broods over her trouble until they prey upon her system. Thus, she becomes more and more nervous and weakened. Sadness. The mood changes with wonderful rapidity. She laughs and jokes and quickly bursts into tears. Her manner becomes hurried and she does things hastily. There is marked grief and fright and disappointment. Violence. Violence is a strong feature of spiders. There is violence with anger, tear, clothing, etc. Hysteria, hysterical conduct, joyousness, and singing. When there are no observers, she has no attacks of hysteria. Feels as if head does not belong to her. Luminous vibration before the eyes becomes restless and height of paroxysms. Characteristic physical symptoms. Restlessness is the common feature of the spiders in the physical and mental level. Hypersensitiveness is present in the group. Every sound penetrates the teeth. Every penetrating sound extends through whole body. Hyperesthesia. All the symptoms are worse from grief and excitement. Pains. The nerves are very sensitive. Pains as if thrill is passed over the body in waves and nausea follows. The spine is very sensitive. Pain between the scapule, itching of back. There is a great spinal irritation. Chorea is common feature of the group. There is a constant twitching of muscle of the face. There is jerking of hand and jerking of muscle of one hand and leg. When she makes efforts to talk, whole words are jerked out. Unsteadiness. The gait is unsteady. There is constant motion of legs. Tingling and tumors are excessive. There is involuntary sharking. involuntary shaking of the body, vertigo on closing the eyes from motion, stooping on board a vessel, noise with nausea, vomiting, and cold sweat, vertigo with dim vision and pain in eyes, nausea with many complaints, nausea with headache, worse on warm drinks. Periodicity of symptom is seen in the spiders. All the symptoms occurs and reoccur at same regular intervals. Febrile and neuralgic symptoms return with clock-like regularity. Septic conditions. Most of the spider remedies have main action on the blood, causing the septic fevers. The chills occur at the same hour every other day and every week or at same regular period. Pulsation with mitral murmurs in the heart. There is sensation of trembling in the heart with irregular pulse. There is sudden thumping in the heart as from the fright through not though not frightened. Sensation as if the heart is compressed or squeezed. Extremities are markedly affected in spiders. They all show the marked weakness and prostration from any excitement. There is weakness of legs and choric movements. There is numbness of the legs. The leg shows the twitching and jerking movements constantly. Sexual erethism. Females of spider group show the violent, uncontrollable sexual erethism. There is a nymphomania, violent itching of the genital extending far up in the vagina. There is increased sensitiveness of the genital organs, cravings, raw food, cold drinks, bananas, alcoholic drinks, and tobacco, aversion to bread, meat, and chocolates. General modalities: aggravation from motion, touch, noise, jar, sound, damp weather, periodical at night, sleep, and amelioration from open air, music, dance, and warmth. Thanks for watching the video. If you have found value in this video, then please do like, share, and comment on my video and subscribe to my channel Dynamic Medicos.